Today, regarding land allotment in Amaravati capital city, group of ministers met and discussed different issues. In that, actually, today group of ministers actually recommended for ESA hospital 20 acres of land and for central institution of tools and design. For them, 5 acres already we allotted in 2014-19, but because of last 5 years, because of the last government attitude, they didn't start that work. That is why time expired. That is actually we renewed for all the same. Like that, actually, no. Indira Gandhi National Open University, for them we allotted 0.8 acres. They started work. That also we renewed today. And Basavatharaka Cancer Institution, 15 acres. They didn't start because of the government attitude in the previous government attitude. And for L&T to start one skill development organization, for that also we allotted 5 acres. That is already allotted. Like that, for TTD, 25 acres allotted. They constructed a temple also. That also we have cleared today. And Brahma Kumari Educational Society, for them we allotted 10 acres last time. This time today in the meeting, we already they construction also completed. Like that, today, MOU group of ministers met and finalized this one. Probably next meeting they are going to conduct within 10 days.
Sir, how many people left away from the Amaravati and how many are coming back with your
Totally, last time we gave for 131. Out of that, 3 or except 3 or 4 remaining are showing willing. But our officials are actually scrutinizing all those things because 5 years over. We'll put all these things in group of ministers and we'll finalize.
Sir, recently you have met the villagers regarding this railway project. Till what extension it has moved?
Regarding railway project, land acquisition, they are asking land pulling, but it is a land acquisition, we are taking land. That we kept that issue with the CM. CM gave some proposal. We are discussing with them. I think within 10 days we'll finalize that also.